Hey everybody, this is Animal PDX here with another Davinci Resolve tutorial, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just how to put a freeze frame into a TikTok or a video, whatever have you that you're going ahead and edit. Today I'm going to be doing a TikTok, specifically it'll be posted here later as well on my TikTok, so if you don't, go ahead and follow my TikTok, subscribe to the YouTube, comment, suggest anything you guys may be looking at. I'm still in the process of really learning this program, but I try to walk through best as I can for you guys, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, folks, and so I got Davinci Resolve open already. I do have some clips and some audio that I'm going to go ahead and add to this. So I already got walk through how you guys get your resolution, all that set up. First, we're going to go ahead and get my clip down here that we want. I already have an audio track up and everything on that. Okay, get rid of this. So on this one, I'm going to be go ahead and cutting down a really small section on this, so we're going to be getting rid of that. We'll delete that so I get down to the clip that I want. And I want to freeze frame it. This one I'm going to go ahead and freeze frame at a very certain point. We are going to freeze frame right in here. So what I'm going to do is now I got a point where I want to freeze frame. I'm going to go ahead and go over to my edit screen. I'm going to go up here to my bar here, which is going to have this little blade edit mode. We're going to go ahead and hit that. And right where I want to, I'm just going to go ahead and click that sucker. It's going to go and do a split where I want. What you want to do is arrow over one frame. And then you'll want to go ahead and cut there as well. That is going to create the section where we want to go ahead and freeze frame. I can do it here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to right click. We're going to go up to change clip speed, in which we are going to go freeze frame. You can do a bunch of different reverse speeds, etc., all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and freeze frame because that's what we want to do. It is going to freeze that frame specifically, just that single frame. So just in ease for myself, I'm going to go ahead and over to cut because I want to go ahead and extend that frame that I freezed. Move this clip up so I can get that out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and go back to this where my freeze frame is going to be. Which is going to be this guy. That way I can click on this. Click and hold, and it's gonna just drag it on. So I want to go ahead and move that a lot more. Because what I want to go ahead and do is we're going to add it, I don't know why, so we're going to add that audio in right in here. And now that I can actually select that, I'm actually going to cut that audio down. So select that, I'll right click, cut that down because I want to cut some of this chunk out.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What I'm going to do is cut the blank pieces out of this. Cut these sections out.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
So, move that on down. Down. And again, you can select that in here. We're going to move that on down even further. Nope. I want to move that back down. Then we can go. Nope. We can grab and clip that back down there. There's our freeze frame. Go, and just like that, we got a freeze frame. And then, of course, you can do all your edits, your masks, various things like that. This is a very short tutorial. But like I said, any comments, suggestions, any of that, go ahead and leave a comment. If there's something that you'd like to see, go ahead and let me know. You guys have a wonderful day.